Good morning everybody, and once again welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can build modern data lake house architecture on of course AWS, and not only that, what I really want to show you is, as a user I don't want to be locked into any particular format. As a user I want to use Snowflake. As a user I want to use Athena. As a user I might want to consume that data using Iceberg or Hudi or Delta, right? As a user I need the flexibility to interoperate. Now, also as a user, I do not want to create multiple copies. So now how do we solve all these problems? So we can easily leverage a tool called Delta Streamer. Delta Streamer allows you to ingest data from CSV, Parquet, JSON, Kafka into Hudi data lakes. Now, what Apache XTable has also done is they have released an extension. You can use that extension in your Hudi streamer. And once you're writing data into your Hudi data lake, after every commit, it builds the metadata for Iceberg and Delta. So now the data that you have on S3 is universal. You can consume it using Snowflake, Athena, Spark, and any other query engine that you like. So now you're not locked into any particular vendor or formats, right? It's more about openness. It's more about you decide the right tool for your application. So again, I have a complete deep dive video which is about 20 to 30 minutes on my YouTube. What I want to show you is a small demo in this video. So hopefully if you are interested and if you want to learn, watch the YouTube video which will give you all the steps and materials with step-by-step instruction. So let's take a look at a small video or a demo. So here you can see this is the data on S3 on my personal AWS account, and here you would also see some Hive style partitioning and some metadata. Here you can see the Hudi metadata, and if I also actually quickly search for metadata, here you can also see Iceberg related metadata. Now the beauty is, hey, I want to query this data in Snowflake, so let's see how you can do that. So I'm gonna quickly share my screen. So here you can see I am on my Snowflake. So select count from invoice. I'll just do this query. And here you can see 68. I'm able to query the same data through Snowflake. Actually, if I can also do select everything from invoice, and I'm gonna say limit 2 because I just wanna print 2 records. There you go. As you can see, I can read and consume the data in Snowflake. Great. Hey, what about Athena? Well, absolutely you can do that. So I can run, count on the same data set. Here you can see 68 is the response or the output. Let me also do select star from invoice limit 2. Again, same data copy. I'm also running it. Again, as you can see, I'm able to query that using Athena as well. Now you can also query that in Spark as well. So let me show you quickly. So here you can see I'm querying this data as Iceberg and Hudi, but again in Spark now. So let me run this quickly. Again, this will take a couple of seconds because I'm running this locally on a Docker container. And here you can see the same output over here, right? So as you see, I'm able to query the same data which is on my object store S3. I'm able to consume it using Athena, of course, great. It's synced with my Glue Hive metastore. I can consume the same data in Snowflake. Let's say, some companies want to use Snowflake. Yes, you can consume this data using Snowflake as well. Let's say you want to use Spark. You can use Spark. You can read the data as Hudi, Delta, or Iceberg, any table formats you like. Not only that, but you can also take advantage of Hudi's multimodal indexing. You can build multiple indexes. One of them you can use is a record level index, which gives you about 70% faster upsert. So leverage, Hudi's ingestion capability, because you can ingest data, dedupe data, you can write it pretty fast and consume it either as Iceberg, Delta, Snowflake, Trino, Presto, or Starbucks, or any other query engine that you like. So this is just a demo video. I would have a deep dive video where I will show you how to ingest using the Hudi streamer, what jars to use. We'll submit the job to EMR Serverless. We'll see the data. We'll create a Glue crawler. We'll catalog it in Glue. We'll create the IAM roles and policy. In Snowflake, we'll try to query. Again, my point being is there are like certain steps that we need to follow for interoperability. So I'm gonna be covering those steps into a deep deep dive video. So I hope you're excited and I hope you want to learn more about it. So yeah, but again, if you also have any other question, feel free to list your question in the comments and I will be more than happy to reply to those questions as and when I get time. With that being said, I'm excited to do this lab personally and I'm gonna be seeing you in the next video.